for 3 years.
Yes.
Na hamjawahi fanya nini? Hamjawahi improve wangwana? 11 teachers, wanafunzi 24, and we have all people walking around, they don't know about the facility. And this is, you know, a magnificent property. Hmm? Waziri,
Your Excellency.
how are you?
I'm fine, Your Excellency.
Have you ever been to Kiamwasi?
Yes.
Who is in charge there?
You mean the principal?
Mm.
Gina ndio sijashika vizuri, but there is a principal there.
When you went there, what did you find out?
Actually, why we went there is because there is a frontier who wants to use them a teacher from Japan. And the Japan lady who was with us accepted. Momanyi is the director.
Yeah?
Momanyi is a director in my office here.
No. Are you a director?
Yeah.
Momanyi?
Yes.
Are you a director?
No.
What are you?
Principal.
The gentleman who calls himself a principal.
Oh, he's a principal. Yeah, that is the principal now of the school. I didn't know the name.
Now listen.
Yeah.
I want changes immediately in this facility. We cannot have a facility with 11 teachers when we have only 24 students. And the people work on a mood hapo.
Yes.
The principal seemingly amekunywa. Amekunywa, ananiambia alikunywa last week. Atawezaje kunywa last week pombe nuke mpaka sasa?
Hapana, Your Excellency. I've already taken one teacher from Kiamwasi who is going to teach mechanics in this school we were discussing the other day night.
Wewe umefanya nini mwalimu? Is the ni wewe umechukuliwa?
No.
Kuna mwingine alikuwa hapa?
No, barua iko hapa.
Is called who?
The new teacher. I think I can check the name. I'm in Abinja's office.
Listen, I need this team of the county. They're all the so-called teachers here. I want to have a discussion with them.
Okay.
Yeah, we can't have people teaching only 20 students and they are
the instructors.
Yes.
So, Your Excellency, we can have them when we are also giving out the cabinets and the swing machines.
Listen. Yeah. I cannot, if I can come to the facility that you are in charge of and find this a lapse and you have not acted, do you want to come and start teaching here yourself?
No, Your Excellency, I've only taken away the teacher whom I wanted to take to another school in somewhere, and I've written the letter today.
I need an action on these people.
Yeah.
Hatuwezi kuwa na all this facility, and it's a big facility I can see. Eti tuko na watu principal aliweka kitu jana, hata saizi ijaisha kutoka mwili.
Hiyo sio ya jana, hiyo ni ya leo.
However, I want immediate action.
We're moving from there.
I don't know what you'll want to do, but this, you know, this wastage of resources, big resources. I'm
Your
sure
Excellency, because
this facility imechukua pesa ngapi, by the way? How much?
Your Excellency, unajua ni juice nilikuja hapa, hata isijua ni how much.
Sasa.
But see, I can come there right now so that I can sort out those things.
I'm there. If you'll get me here, well and good, but I need action immediate. Sio kesho. So ringine saa kusikia. Na you can come with the base commander hapo na Alcoblu. Nione huyu jamaa principal ananiambia alikunywa pombe last week.
Yeah, last week.
We make sure kama mmekuja na yeye. So umeniambia last week. Eh?
I'm coming, Your Excellency.
Na tukipata ni ya leo? Momanyi, tukipata ni ya leo? See, there is a rehabilitation center hapa naona kwamba inajengwa na huyu jamaa is alcoholic.
Sasa huyu hatuwezi kumchukua rehabilitation center akiwa principal, lazima
Yeah. Yeah. Eh?
Yeah.
Wewe bwana, hii biashara Momanyi nyumbani wapi? Eh? Nyamira. But my brother, be it Nyamira, be it anywhere else. Eh? Kwa sababu hakuna wanafunzi hapo, ungekuwa umechukua umefanya advertisement, umeambia county imefanya, lakini sasa nakuja nimepata umekaa chini with that lady, umepiga mdomo, you didn't realize. Eh? Pana. Wewe kuja hapa saizi. Come right now. Yeah.
Yes.
Hatuwezi cheka na nyinyi hapa when we have so many young people outside there wangekuwa hapa. Unajua kama ningepata kwamba you are doing something, umekaa lunch saa 9. Afadhali wewe, mimi hata lunch sijakula. Eh? Hapana Momanyi. What do you teach? Unafundisha nini? Eh? Which machines do you have here now you are using? Unajua if you could have put some pressure on us, eh? Utuambie kwamba hakuna machineries, we will always agree. Eh? Ruben.
Yes, Excellency.
I'm at Kiamwasi.
You are at Kiamwasi?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
This facility at second, how much? I can see it's a massive one.
No. Maybe you are looking at a different one.
This government one?
Yeah. The national government, that one is around 57.
57?
Yes, sir.
And this Kiamwasi Treatment and Rehabilitation Center?
That it took around 22.
22. Tena uko raida ya kawaida, si ndio?
Hii hata siku hapo ni Excellency. Hiyo ya juu mimi ndo nilifanya ya national government. Though there is a variation of around 10 million, if you can see there is an extra floor, ground floor. Say your national government is taking around 67.
67?
Yes, sir.
And I think here there is some value.
Your national government, I'm the one who is in charge. So the only reason why it is at that state is that they have never approved the 10 million variation. So the contract actually suspended work. Yes, sir.
But kama hii ni let us assume mpaka ishe 60 na Kiamwasi mmekula ngapi hapa?
Hiyo hata ilikuwa ikaisha mpaka ikakuwa ndio Your Excellency.
Na watu wamepocket pesa.
Ilisha kitambo hiyo.
Wacha niangalie, acha nizunguke.
Sawa, Your Excellency.
Momanyi. Wewe ndugu, ulikunywa lini mwisho? Because we will test you hapa, sitoki. Eh? Mchana leo jana. Sasa unadanganya mimi last week na umekunywa I'm sure ni ya saizi. Hata unajua hata mimi si nini kuja kwanza tuangalie hapa. Sasa ulikuwa unadanganya mimi ya nini bwana? Fia gani? Vile uko hapo, you know. Momanyi. Instead of drinking mkaigotende. Yes. Eh? Mwalimu, this place tumefika wapi? Yetu ya county imefika wapi? Eh? Especially for rehabilitation. Hebu nipe hiyo simu. Hii ni barabara iko pale chini? Eh. Ruben, tell me, this place, if you are to bring to rehabilitate people here, wengine they can commit suicide here? Yes. Eh. Gabions, why can't you do even, after the gabion you can do, what do we call it? The retainer wall. Itoke chini kuje mpaka juu. Mm. 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 This land, hii shamba inafika wapi? Oh, it's a county land. Mm. We need to sit down. This place must start working. Yeah, bwana, hii nasikia mlilaunch in Pomp and Color. Eh? Sawa. Eh?
You can move the psychiatric patients from KTRH.
Eh.
The
Eh.
psychiatric staff, the nurses, the psychiatrist is your karibu pamoja.
Hakuna funguza hapa? We need to do the roads to this place.
Sina namba yake.
Wewe ndio unalinda hapa?
Mimi ndio nafanya huko. Hapo ndio security ya kanjo ndio nafanya. Sioni sare.
Huyu mtu yuko wapi wa hapa?